Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. In this video, we are going to see how to run the ad on Facebook to sell our products. So the ad we are going to be running is the test ad, but mind you, this is the same way you are going to run your normal ad. So if you are on Facebook, remember that we prepared an account for running ad. We created a page. We tried to create the business account, but it was not successful. But I told you that just with your normal Facebook account, the ad account that is attached to that Facebook account is enough to run the ad. It is not compulsory that you have to create business and create the ad account for the business. So now I'm in just my normal Facebook account, normal profile. So I will come to this side and find ad manager. You can see ad manager here. If you can't find it here, click on see more. You are going to see it. But if you are on phone, make sure you go to web.facebook.com, web.facebook.com. So when you go to web.facebook.com, it's going to take you to Facebook. Then you now click on the three dots and go to desktop view or desktop mode. Then it's going to take you to this place. You're going to see this ad manager here, or click on see more. You see it there. Because if you are just going to facebook.com, it's going to take you to which is mobile.facebook.com. The same way for me too. If I'm here, if I should change this web to let's see what it's going to look like. m.facebook.com. Look at it. As if I'm browsing on the phone, but this is not what I want. So I'll just click on this ad manager and open a new tab. So when you are here, what you want to do is that you want to go to billing. This is billing here. Open it in new tab. You want to add money to your Facebook account. So you can just add any amount of money, maybe just 50 naira for now, for start. Click on add fund. Just add 50 naira, just 50 naira is okay. Click on this Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card, choose it and click on next. Continue. So here you are going to enter your payment details and pay. You enter your card number, your card name, the month, the year, you click on pay. So the payment is going. Okay, sending the OTP. So after entering the OTP, it has sent it to my phone number that ended with this. So I will click on confirm. So the transaction was successful. I successfully paid the 15 naira to Facebook. So done. So let me refresh this place. You can see funded. So I have 15 naira here as my prepaid because I've just paid there. I haven't used it. So after doing this, I'll come back to this place and click on create. I want to create my ad. So this one is saying account info needed. Click on go to overview. Okay, just click on skip for now. It's asking you to link a payment method. Just say skip for now. This one is saying that are you the owner of this? Just click on confirm. Then you click on create ad. Then I'll click on this sales. I'll click on continue. I will give you the name of my watch, N8 Ultra. Note that there are 3 stages in ad: the campaign stage, the ad set stage, and the ad stage. As for the campaign stage, we only give it a name and click on next to go to the ad set. So at this particular stage, which is the ad set stage, I will just choose this website because I'm running my ad to website. Now it's going to ask us to create a pixel. So you can just click on create. Just give it your name, maybe Olawale. Create. So just click I don't have website now and click on continue. Just cancel it. So the pixel has been created. That's what is most important thing. Just create the pixel and choose it. So after creating the pixel and choosing the pixel, then you are going to see this one, set up a conversion. Just click on set up conversion. Click on the first one. Just click on done. Okay, this is what I want. This conversion event. Just click on it and choose purchase. So after choosing the pixel, make sure you set up the conversion event purchase. Just put it there. So the next thing is that you are going to be spending 3,980 naira per day for the ad to run for 24 hours. Some days you might spend more than this, and some days you might not spend up to this. So I do recommend that you put 4,000 naira there so that you allow the ad to run for 24 hours to see if the orders are going to come in. So thereafter, you come to this particular place where you want to run the ad to. So this is Nigeria. I will take it off. So I do recommend that you choose some specific locations like Lagos. Make sure you choose this one with city. Abuja, Port Harcourt, make sure you look at it very well so that you don't choose another country. So this is Nigeria. Kano. This Kano, you might not see city. If you write Kano city, it might not bring it out. So these are places. These are not city. So make sure you just write Kano State for Kano. Kano State, Nigeria. You can see it there. Then Kaduna. Then you can say your state if you can deliver there too, but just choose it. I'm going to tell you the delivering strategies so you know what to include or what to remove. Oyo, let me say Osun State, Ogun State, so maybe these ones are just okay. So you click on next. So the next thing here is to choose the page you want to use to run the ad. So you can see I have 2 pages, so I can choose anyone. I can choose the second one, anyone. So this one, Instagram account select, is not needed. Just leave it like that. You come down to this place. So the next thing now is to choose the media, add media. The media can be image, can be video, depending on what you want to use to run the ad. You can use that particular one people are using on Facebook, and you can create your own that is very catchy. The image that is very catchy or video that is very catchy. The way we created video in the last video to be used on the website, that same video can also be used here to run the ad. Or if you have an image that is very good, you can also use it to run the ad. Let me just click on this image, add image. So I'm going to click on this upload. If I don't have the image here already, I will look at the image on my computer or my laptop. Let's assume this is the image I want to use. I will just click on upload. So this is the image here. I will choose it. You can see the way it is. Next. Done. So the image is already there. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to write this primary text. So the best way to do it is to use ChatGPT to do it for you. So just go to ChatGPT and write the text. After writing it, you can then copy it and paste it here. When you are on ChatGPT, just say, I am selling N8 Ultra Smart Watch. Write a primary text to be used on Facebook ad. Use emojis and list the features. So I will just copy everything. Yeah. So you can read it to make sure it is correct. If there's something that is not correct there, you can change it. So you just paste it here. You can see introducing the N8 Ultra Smartwatch. You have to read this thing very well and make sure everything is okay. You can correct anything that is not okay there. Where you wrote shop now button, I'm going to put my link there. If you are following the series, you know that this is the website we designed the other time. So this is the link to my store. So you have to copy it and put it here. Then the next thing is the headline. As for the headline, I will just write New West 2023 smartwatch. Something like this. Under description, I will write free delivery. Free delivery. You can put emoji there. Window button and dot is going to bring the emoji out. So you can put the emoji, something like this. So the call to action, just leave it as learn more. Under this website link, then I'm going to put website link here again. Then under this display link, I can just leave this one. So after doing this, the next thing is to what? To publish the ad. It's publishing. Say one of three, because we're going to publish the campaign, publish the ad set, and publish the ad. So it is now published. So you can see it's in processing. After a while now, it's going to be in review. They're going to be reviewing the ad. So after the review, they're going to see that there's nothing wrong with the ad. It doesn't go against their terms of service, and they're going to make the ad to be active, and the ad is going to be running. Remember that I just put 15 naira there, just for me to see that the ad is now active. That's why I do that. So after the ad is active, if I load more money there, if I want to load more money, I will just come here, right click, go to billing, the way I did, add fund. I can add 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, any amount I want, and pay. So this is how to run your ad. Make sure you practice. You don't have to disturb yourself to get your business account. If it doesn't work, use your personal account to run the ad. And if you try to use your personal account to run the ad, if they block it, they ban it, contact our support on what you can do. They are going to ask you to verify your identity. Contact the support on what you can do. So you can also use the Facebook account of your friend or your family members to run the ad. It doesn't affect them in any way. So this is what every one of us, this is what we are doing. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.